everybody, welcome back to El Channel. And well, today we're going on a really random, off the books kind of thing with the Civic. We're gonna go check out this dirt path road, and we're gonna try to see and go have some fun, you know. We're gonna try to make this interesting, and Jamie's coming along with me for the ride, so she's gonna be recording me. So let's see how this goes.
If you're missing this, we found it.
What the fuck?
There's some matches. Want them?
Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny here. This is the dirt road. This is like this little dirt road.
Good, like, hopefully. The Civic got some power. Some power.
Oh, shit. What the fuck? Oh my god. My hand hit the ceiling!
What? What?
I fell out of my chair!
Oh my god! What the fuck? Did you really?
Yes!
I wish I was recording the inside. Oh my god. Here's more of the dirt road. There's like a little hill right there. I wonder if we can do that. Let's see what we can do. Yep, proof we went off-roading. If you don't have mud on your tires and you went off-roading, did you really even go off-roading? No. Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Thank you. The Civic handled the dirt easy. Jamie was jumping all over the place for some reason. She couldn't strap in. That was pretty fun. I'm trying to do more of that. A little bit more like because that was just like a little path that I found. But I'm trying to do something like where it's basically just all that. Like I know there is one around here, but it's mainly, I hear it's like for trucks more, because it's, you know, this is just a Civic. It's front wheel drive, you know, it's not all wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, it's, you know. So I don't know, I'm trying to look for stuff more like that. I'm trying to do more things like that, make it a little bit more fun, time to have some fun, you